Hello guys, I'm making this video in my on my terrace, and in today's video I'm going to tell you that the enjoyment of chasing your goals, the enjoyment of chasing what you like the most, you can do it for all day along. You can just imagine about it. That is the one of the best thing. If I would explain, if I would give my example, then it is bodybuilding, and the second one is content creation. These two things are my one of my favorite things, and I'm really passionate about this both things, because through content creation I'm going to start my business, and I like business the most. मतलब मेरा गोल ही बिजनेस करना है. माई गोल इज़ टू बिकम अ बिजनेस मैन. एंड in my fourth standard, I just decided I will do business only. I don't want to do job. I just want to do business. Okay, in fourth standard I decided, and today I'm 20 years old. And so what I want to tell you that if you like something, and if it comes from your heart कि भाई मुझे चीज़ पसंद है, I like this thing, it comes from your heart, trust me brother, you gonna make it. You will just really like to just work hard on your goals. I would say really work on your goals, really work hard on your goals. You like something the most. Okay, for example, for me it is bodybuilding. I mean to say, not bodybuilding, not I don't want to compete on stage, but it's like building a very good body. Okay, building a very good body and doing content creation. These two things are my one of the favorite things that I can do. Okay, and I like to do it because it comes from my heart. I've been made for these two things. I can give my entire life. I just do it. I can do it for my entire life till my death. I can do these two things. Okay, these two things are really very close to my heart, and it comes from my heart. Okay, and what I want to tell you that कि the enjoyment of chasing your goals, the enjoyment of chasing your goals, the enjoyment of chasing something that you like the most, and seeing those things seeing those things. For example, if you're just walking on a road and you want to build a very good physique, and also you want to be in a very good car. You are just roaming around in your city with a very good car, and you suddenly saw one guy who is in your dream car with a dream physique, and you will be like, you will see yourself in that person. You will see yourself. Okay, you will see yourself on in that person. You will not see that person by you will see you will see yourself in that person. For me, today I went to gym with my guruji, and he just for so many days he was just tucking his shirt inside his track pant, and now he just tuck out his t-shirt out of his track pant, and he was looking really like, क्या बोलूँ भाई, शब्द नहीं बोलने के लिए. He was really looking good, and literally I just saw myself in himself. I just saw myself in him. Okay, and I'm like कि भाई ये फिजिक बना ले भाई. I just want to make this physique, man. I was just like कि भाई यही फिजिक बनानी, यही फिजिक ही बनानी है. इतना वो ब्यूटीफुल दिख रहे थे भाई, इतना ज़्यादा. अभी मैं कोई गे वे नहीं हूँ, ठीक है. एक लड़कों का होता है ना कि भाई आई जस्ट वांट टू बी दिस गाय. मुझे ऐसा बनना है भाई, ऐसा बड़ा आदमी बनना है, मुझे ऐसा आदमी बनना है. ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, गे वे नहीं हूँ मैं कोई, ठीक है. I'm not a gay. I just see him as my Guruji. Okay, and I saw he just tuck out his t-shirt and he's really looking good. The baggy track pant, and the tight shirt, not that much tight, but you can. He's lifting for 10 years, and he just tuck out his shirt, and the arms were looking good, the chest were looking good, and I just saw myself in him, and I'm just telling myself subconsciously, bhai, I just want to make this type of physique. I will make this type of physique. I will do whatever it takes to build this type of physique. I will just build this type of physique. I will build this type of life. I will build this type of physique one day. And that's my dream. Okay, so you can say that I just saw my dream, and I'm just like, I just saw my dream. I'm just living my dreams. Okay, by his, I just see himself. I just see myself in him, and I'm just dreaming about when I'm entering in a room, everybody's just looking at me, and everybody's especially girls are looking at me, and I'm just like, if I am, the physique is looking great, the baggy shirt, I'm just like, क्या बोलूँ भाई, मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है बोलने के लिए. वो बोलते हैं ना भाई, गोल्स को चेज करने का जो मज़ा होता है ना भाई, वो मज़ा कहीं पे भी नहीं है. द एन्जॉयमेंट इन चेजिंग योर गोल्स इज़ नथिंग, is not, you will never able to find anywhere else. The enjoyment of chasing your goals, the enjoyment of chasing your what you want to become, the process of doing something that you like the most. For me, the process is really important. I don't care about okay, result. Everybody just care about results. For me it's opposite. I just care about the process. Okay, I just really cares about the process. I don't care about the outcome. I just care about the process. I just like to do gym. Okay, I just give my 100% into gym, and like my man nahi kar raha hai, my brain is telling no, don't do it, but I'm still pushing myself, okay, to the failure. Even my brain is saying, my body is not showing up, but still I'm doing more than 2 to 3 reps on my failure. And that is the most, because I love the process of doing content creation. I love the process of doing bodybuilding. I love the process of building a good aesthetic body. And I just want to tell you that money and a very good physique is just a byproduct. If you give your 100% in your process, if you give your 100% whatever you are doing, and the result is literally byproduct. Okay, the result is literally byproduct. For example, if you took a medicine, and obviously बात है भाई, there will be some side effect. If you take a medicine, for example, if you take a particular medicine, if you take let's just take an example of sleeping pill. If you take a sleeping pill, obviously baat hai bhai, there will be an what we say, there will be an disadvantage, that there will be a side effect, that you will always feel very uncomfortable, very sleepy all day. Okay, this is the side effect. It will come with that particular medicine. Okay, you can't change it. So in this also, that if you want to build a good body, if you want to become a very big man, not in terms of fat, but if you want to be a very bada aadmi banna hai, to you just have to focus on your process. Just give your 100%. What do you think? That I just enjoy the results, I just enjoy the physique, that how I look. I love the process. I love the if I don't go to till failure, I don't enjoy the process. I don't enjoy the exercise. If I don't go till failure, if I'm not going till failure in each and every exercise, I just feel like I did nothing. My happiness is based on failure. I mean to say, in gym, my happiness is just based on what I'm doing. Okay, literally my happiness is based on is literally based on failure. Is that on each and every side I'm just going till failure. If I'm not going till failure, I'm really not that happy. I'm really unsatisfied, I'm unhappy. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to tell. If I'm not making, see, this is the video that I'm making at night. It's around 12, it's around 11:15 हो चुके हैं भाई. अभी मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, टेरेस पे सब सोए हुए. देखो, तुमको दिखाता हूँ. एवरीवन इज स्लीपिंग. तुमको कोई आवाज़ आ रहा है क्या? मेरे सिवाय तुमको किसी का भी आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा होगा. बट स्टिल आई एम कमिंग एंड मेकिंग सम वीडियोज़ बिकॉज आई लव द प्रोसेस ऑफ डूइंग इट, मैन. Okay, I love the process of doing it. So that's why I'm making. Okay, and everybody who are really big, who have a very good aesthetic body, who are really doing good into business, they always tell that love the process, and they don't really love the results. They love the process. Trust me, when your mindset shift towards process, that you don't care about results and you just care about the process, you just give your 100%, you will be very, very happy. You will be, don't care, you will not be happy based on your results. You will be happy based on your process. That's it.